I was always very popular in math class, and it's not because I'm a delight to be around or that I'm particularly good at math. It's because I always got the coolest calculators. Yesterday, I was scouring the house for my old Hello Kitty phone. Don't ask us for a project. But in the box with my old Hello Kitty phone, I found my old calculator collection. And I remembered just how impressed the nerds at school used to get when they would see these things. And I'm sure they're not a big deal anymore because we have a lot more technology now. In the 2010s, whew, let's just say I was the belle of the math ball. Now, if I'm being honest, it was completely accidental. The summer before I started high school, I took an Algebra 2 class at my local community college. You might know where I'm going with this. My parents were so over the moon excited. Oh my gosh, our middle schooler's in college! When we went back to school shopping, they let me get whatever I want. So I see this calculator. It has so many more functions than anybody in Algebra 2 would ever need. I'm just like, guys, sorry, I need this. And like, yeah, of course you do. Put it in the cart. And if I'm being perfectly honest, the reason why I wanted this is I thought there was a really good chance of it having games on it. I didn't have an iPhone yet. I thought worst case scenario, there's definitely words. You can type words in here. There's an actual keyboard with letters. I can like write poetry on this thing or something in the middle of math class. So I was stoked. Well, I bring this into the class and all the nerds just about flip. They all want to play with it. They think it's the coolest thing. I didn't know how to use it. I still don't. But the appreciation of my classmates made me really proud to own it. So then I'm actually in high school. I'm signed up for pre-calculus. I think you know where this is going. I'm like, Dad, we gotta go back to school shopping. I desperately need the T-Inspire Texas Instrument. If you don't know what this thing is, it's like a mini computer. It's like the closest thing that we had to ChatGPT doing math equations in the 2010s. My dad's like, it's for school. Okay. It looks pretty complicated to me. I'm like, well, Dad, calculus is complicated. I brought this into the school. And quite frankly, I'm surprised that they didn't make a monument of me. Because this thing made me legendary. I would see kids from other classes coming up to me in the hallways. Is it true you have a T-Inspire? Well, not to brag, but yes. So if you're kind of shy, not particularly good at math, and want to impress some nerds, may I suggest getting some fancy calculators and time traveling back to the 2010s.